Èmi ni Chief Oyèkúnlé Alex Dúdúyẹmí, àrólà aṣíwájú of Ilé Ifẹ̀. Ní àsìkò yìí, mo ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àti lórúkọ gbogbo Ifẹ̀ fún iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí ọba wa ń ṣe láti túlù Ilé Ifẹ̀ ṣe. Mo dẹ̀ tún ń fàsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ wa, olóyè wa, ọmọ wa, Chief Adébùtì Kẹ̀sìntìn, tó fi ilé Oòduà tó fi lọ́lẹ̀ ní Ifẹ̀ lórúkọ gbogbo Ifẹ̀ àti gbogbo ọmọ Oòduà nílé àti lóko, pé Ifẹ̀ lórísun gbogbo wa o.
Èmi ni Alhaji Saka Fáwọlé, Executive Chairman Oko Industries Nigeria Limited. A wá fi àsìkò kí bàbá wa Ọọ̀ni ọba ẹni ìtàn Adéyẹyè Àkàndé Ògúnwùsì Ọọ̀ni Ilé Ifẹ̀ Ọ̀jájá the second. Wọ́n kú oríire ọjọ́ bíi àádọ́ta ọdún tán ṣe. Wọ́n débẹ̀ láìpẹ́, wọ́n ti ṣe gudugudu méje yàyà mẹ́fà. Wọ́n sọ ààfin Ọọ̀ni Ilé Ifẹ̀ di mérìírí. Wọ́n tún wá tún ìlú ṣe. Wọ́n fi ìyàwó president ṣe ẹ̀yẹ fún wọn. Wọ́n kọ́ hostel sí ọgbà Yunifásítì wa OAU. Wọ́n fi orúkọ wọn sọ. Wọ́n ṣe statute fún wọn. Wọ́n tiẹ̀ ti ṣe kan náà tẹ́lẹ̀, tó ṣe fúnra Mọ́remí lókèrèmí. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ kò sí statute tó ti Mọ́remí yẹn. Wọ́n dá ground resort sílẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣe Ọ̀jájá Mori supermarket tí ó jẹ́ pé òní number 1 náà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ní ẹnujọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ̀, wọ́n tún ṣe sinimá sí Ọ̀jájá tí wọ́n ti máa fi gbafẹ́ gbáládùn ara wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wàá lè kó náà làwọn ará Ilé Ifẹ̀.
My name's Chief John Agola Adeyemi. I'm the Obashewa of Ife. It's been my pleasure to be here to greet Arole Oòduà Kábíyèsí Ògúnwùsì, who is celebrating his 50th birthday. It's been about 9 years on the throne, and the 9 years is almost looking like 20 years, with a lot of development. We thank God for his foresight, for his fast-moving ways, and for his developmental strides. Long live the Ọ̀jájá.
I'm Professor Oyèkúnlé, the Seriki of Ilé Ifẹ̀. We are all happy that God has spared our lives to witness this momentous occasion of Kábíyèsí celebration of his 50th anniversary. Kábíyèsí is Imperial Majesty Ọba Adéyẹyè Ẹnìtàn Ògúnwùsì. By virtue of occupying that stool of Ooni, he is really eminent, an eminent monarch, recognized worldwide. And if he has always been lucky to have people of high status and stature to occupy that stool, and we have another wonderful Ooni who actually has been wonderful in all respects, considering all his achievements. Is it in the education sector, economic sector, or political sector, or even cultural? This man, in fact, is making Ilé Ifẹ̀ the maker of the traditional Yoruba people. From Cuba, from Brazil, people are coming here to see the ancient town of Ife. I only wish him long life to do more things for us in Ife.
My name is Benga Adefaye. I am the president of Ife Development Board. Talking about Baba, Kábíyèsí Ọ̀nìrìṣà, Babátúndé Ẹnìtàn Ògúnwùsì Ọ̀jájá the second. That is the wonderful gift of the century that Olódùmarè has blessed Ilé Ifẹ̀ and Yoruba man with. It came at the right time to change our narrative for its promotion of peace. He's a peace ambassador. For the strong narrative for youth empowerment, for His skills, the entrepreneurial prowess, has shown examples of how you can blend modernity, tradition. Wherever you are as a Yoruba man, anywhere in the world, you can only be proud of Kabiyesi. He has led us well. His mentorship, his leadership is worthwhile. We are grateful to God for that. We are grateful to him also. We wish him well. We wish him another 50 years of golden life. The gold does not rust.